So here's a bag of rice. Thank you for showing us how you cook and everything. I appreciate that. No problem, no problem. And then I do have one more surprise.
Ma.
So this last gift is actually from a subscriber. And it's from the Filisanio family from Las Vegas. So we're walking to Jenis right now, and all of this is guava. All of these. We have 2 so far. Last time we got like 10 or 15. All right.
Harvesting guava.
Yeah. 3 good ones. I like them when they're soft. I don't like the hard ones. But here's some ones here. There. There's some smaller ones. So this is the way to Jenis. Can you hear all those birds? They're really loud today. There's a lot of birds up there. Of course, they're getting quiet as we come in. So this is the way that leads to Jenis' house. And we walked through here last time. And you can see like the little burnt up there. This is actually where they make copras, which is coconut oil. So I think they like burn it. And then I'm not sure the whole process, but I'm not sure if they do that any longer here. But this is where they used to do it at least. So pretty cool. And it's good protection when it rains. It's like a nice little overhanging. And protection from the sun. It's nice and cool in here. It's really hot today.
Yeah, for the workers too.
Yeah, this is like the perfect spot to come in here and hang out when it's a hot day. Whenever I eat these now, I make sure I'm by Richie, because last time I was eating them, I wasn't paying attention and I was eating a worm infested one. Richie, is this a good one or a bad one?
Good.
Good? Okay. I really can't tell the difference, so not that it matters. I think worms are okay to eat. They won't really hurt you. But
Very, very tiny.
yeah, but if you think about it, you're eating worms. It's kind of gross. So this one's a pretty good one. They taste really strange if you just brush your teeth. Delicious. Very good. Hey, we're at Jenis right now, and check out this big grasshopper. That is huge. Wow. They don't make them like that in Michigan.
We have a belief
What's the belief?
that if it will visit your house, it means it's your relatives.
Oh, it's your relatives. Okay, so there's like a belief here. If a grasshopper visits your house, it's like a past relative that passed away.
Or your family.
We're gonna try to cook 2 things today. We're gonna cook Pan Bisaya and then budbud. And we made budbud before, but last time it was kamote.
Kamote, but now it's pilit.
And that now this time it's pilit.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is for the Pan Bisaya. We got the flour, and then brown sugar, and then yeast, and then the shredded up coconut. And now she's adding the yeast. And here's the brown sugar. So we have 1 kilo of flour, and then 3 little packets of yeast, and then a ½ kilo of brown sugar, and then here's the shredded coconut over here. How many coconuts is that? One coconut. Okay, so that's 1 coconut in there. So 1½ glasses of water. Jenis has the day off today because they're ordering the trusses for the ceiling for the house, and they should be coming in a couple days, so we can enjoy the bread. Ooh. I think bakers have like the strongest hands and the strongest arms from doing this all the time. Really strong hands. It's a sign of good luck. I think the bigger they are, the more luck you'll have.
Yeah.
So I think they're gonna have lots of luck. There's my hand. That thing is huge. The antennas on that thing are this long. It's got the yellow eyes. So we're gonna let the Pan Bisaya sit for a little bit and let the yeast do its job. And then next we're gonna work on the pilit, which is shredded coconut, brown sugar, and then pilit. All right, so 4 vasos of pilit. Then 3.5 vasos of water into the coconut mix. So for the shredded coconut here, we just use the juice that was left over, and then left over this, he's gonna feed the chicken. So we don't put the actual shredded coconut in there, it's just the juice.
Bro.
A very healthy diet. Coconut's very healthy for you.
Now next is sugar.
All right. So the next step is the brown sugar. I like the way you say it better, Richie. Can you say sugar?
Really?
Yeah, I like the way you say sugar.
Sugar.
You changed it. Last time you say sugar.
Sugar.
So we're using 1/4 of a kilo of sugar. Say sugar.
Sugar. Sugar is coming.
Kamai. So kamai or sugar. How do you say brown sugar?
Brown na kamay.
Brown a kamai. So brown is brown. Now we're adding just a tablespoon of salt. Now we're adding the pilit.
Kaon ka to, che?
Wala kaon.
Palaw?
Palaw.
So Jenis is using this banana leaf, and he keeps it here just in case for instances like this when he needs like an extra plate or something.
Yeah.
Comes in handy keeping it there so when you need it you have it. This is our contribution.
Oh.
So this looks kind of brown because we use brown sugar instead of white sugar. So if you cook this normally, you would use white sugar. Okay. All right, so 1 down. Very cool. So it depends where you are in the Philippines, but there's many different names for many different dishes. It just depends what region you're in.
Yeah.
But we call this here pilit or bud pilit. But there's different names you can call it.
Budbud kamuting kahoy, budbud kamote,
Yeah.
and budbud pilit.
Okay. So we're preparing to cook the Pan Bisaya, and Daisy's gonna make fire on top, and then also on bottom, put the bread in here, and then put that over. No need to blow on the fire when you got that breeze coming through. So this is kind of similar to the one that Uncle Pedro did before. He did it in a tin can with the fire underneath and on top. He cooked the other type of bread. So this is another way to make bread if you don't have an oven at home. Nice. Finished. Did you make this? Jenis made this? Alright, so Jenis made this. That's brilliant.
So now,
So now Richie's peeling these off, and before you do that, you put that over the fire to make these more flexible and more strong, so when you tie them, they don't break.
you need to do this one slowly,
Okay.
with care.
So water's next.
Stop.
Look and listen.
Hang on there. Oh.
Jenis and Daisy are watching the video.
And then there's one more, and this is
She said, I'm on TV.
Jay is preparing the water for the goat, and he puts a little bit of salt in there because the goats don't like it without salt. So I was talking to Jenis, and they actually have 7 goats on the property, but they do not own the goats. The owner of the goats, they have some kind of agreement. If they take care of them, if Jenis's family takes care of them, they get some kind of commission if the goats are sold. And also, if the goats are pregnant and have babies, Jenis's family gets the baby goats. There's actually 3 goats that are pregnant. So after they have the babies, Jenis's family can have all the baby goats. That's very cool.
Jenis, bro.
All right. So we just finished the Pan Bisaya, the Pilit, and then we have Milo today because we didn't have the Sequate, but we're gonna drink this instead. But before we start this, to show the appreciation for having them cook for us and everything like that, I'm just gonna give them a little gift. So here's a bag of rice. Thank you for showing us how you cook and everything. I appreciate that. No problem, no problem. And then I do have one more surprise. So this last gift is actually from a subscriber, and it's from the Filisanio family from Las Vegas. So thank you, Filisanio family from Las Vegas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And they wanted to give you 5,000 pesos. So this is for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for you guys. I don't know who wants it, but since you got the rice,
you, bro.
no problem.
Thank you,
You're
bro.
very welcome. You're very welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys very
Thank
much.
you.
So I guess we're just gonna enjoy this, and I guess we'll see you guys next time. And thank you guys very much. It really means a lot. And if you guys want to try this, it's you don't need an oven. And then with this, we tried this the other way, but we never tried it this way before. So thank you guys for watching. It's very aso. So we're gonna enjoy the
Aso.
meal, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. You're very welcome.
Thank you, bro.
No problem, bro. No problem,
Thank
bro. All right. Very good. Very good, yeah. Nice job, Daisy. It's very good.
Lamig to lamig.
Lamig kayo.
Alam mo.